Our next job in the process of setting up these sites is to create a new user and a new login and password. You want to make sure you do that because the username and password that came with the package, of course, is going to be known by hundreds and hundreds of people. So to do that, we'll log into the dashboard, and on this site to do that, simply add wp-admin to the address bar and search, and the login box will come up. And now you have to go back to your documentation that you got with the PLR package to get the user or the password. The username is admin, and then the password you'll get out of the package. You'll use that to log in, and then the first thing you'll do is set up a new user. Once inside your dashboard, look in the left-hand menu for users and click on it. And when that drop-down box opens, click on Add New. You'll see, first of all, that you already have the original one that you used. Now we're going to add a new one. Click on Add New. And all you need to do here is fill in this information. You're going to put in the new username that you're going to use, which can be whatever you want it to be. You have to put in a working email address, your first name, your last name. You don't have to put a website in, and then put in a good solid password in both places. Don't cheat yourself here. Don't put in something easy to remember, because you don't want to get this site hacked. So put in a good solid password in both places here. And this is extremely important. Here where it says subscriber, click on the drop down menu and make sure you change this to administrator. Otherwise you won't be able to delete the other user. Once you're done with that, then click on Add User. Now when you go back and click on users, you'll see that you have two in here, both administrators. Now if you didn't set yours administrator, you will not be able to delete this top one. So if you get an error message that says you can't delete it, it's probably because you didn't set yourself as administrator. You'll have to go back and change it. Now once you've created the new user, you'll see that when you click on users again, you've got both of these in here. Now this is a very important step. This will drive you crazy if you don't do this. You will not be able to delete this original until you log out and log back in with your new username and password. So you need to go up in the right hand corner, click on log out, and now you're going to log back in with your new username and password. And now that we've logged out and logged back in with our new username and password, go back and click on users. And now go back, put a check mark in the box by the original, and go up and in the drop down bulk actions, change this to delete. Click on apply. Now this is an important step also. Before you delete, you want to make sure that you change this. It is set to delete all posts. You don't want to do that. You want to take all the original posts now and attribute them to your new username. So click this radio button and then click on confirm deletion. And there we are. Now we're all set up with a brand new user, brand new password. Our security is much, much better.